on a very tornadic, severe thunderstorm day, we managed to sneak in just a little bit of work, moving a 4-post lift and picking up a new 4-post lift for my buddy George. Let's take a look at how it went and take a look at a few of his cars. All right, so today I'm helping a buddy out. I'm not going to tell you where we're at, but it's pretty special. And inside of every one of these doors is a really cool car. But I'm not going to tell you where we're at, but we got to move this lift. We got to move 2 lifts. So we're going to start with this one. I'm going to show you guys how to move a lift on a trailer, and hopefully we'll do it right. I'll give you a little quick tour of just some of the cool stuff that's in here. How about an original paint 69 Camaro with a cool chassis and an LS in it. Tell me when I stop on something that you really like. Now, I know a lot of you hot rod guys are going to know exactly where I'm at, especially some of the local guys that have been friends with me forever. You know where I'm at. We're helping a buddy out. We're going to move a couple of lifts. And I might even throw a little tee shot in here. How about a cool Suburban that's got a lot of miles on it since it's been built, coast to coast, border to border. My favorite car truck of all times right there. Man, I love that truck. Beautiful. Well-used hot rod, no doubt about it.
I don't know what I was thinking it might be rims.
You know how hard it was to find them things at one time?
Cadillac cleaners?
Yeah.
I got 6 of them in boxes ready to ship.
Well, how are they reproducing them?
Yeah,
now?
they're all Chinese ones.
This old car right here is as good a car as I own. Driving and riding and tight, don't rattle.
Yeah.
When I started to college, that old boy had one like this, a primer like this, and had it jacked up. It had 2 befores in the front coil spring, took the shocks out and put 2 befores and raised it up.
Gosh.
But he had 64 bucket seats in that car, and I thought that was the grandest thing I'd ever seen. And I bought an old rusty 64 Chevrolet, the rustiest car I've ever seen, to get this interior out of it.
Gosh.
It had a 5-speed in it, and I got tired driving. We put this LS in it, and then 65 in it.
Mm-hmm. Let's get this lift loaded. Well, it was pouring down rain, so I really couldn't keep a camera outside. We'll go over this all in detail later. But this is the first lift loaded. Fixing to take it to another shop and pick up another lift and take it on over to Spanky's. So, yep, here we go. All right, another pouring down rain video where we couldn't video how it came off. But there's a lift that's going back to Spanky's. And let's go finish setting up this lift. And then we'll try to get that one back on there. What a hot mess that is. My buddy Bo helping me. All right, let's see what kind of damage we can do. All right, sorry for the rainy day, guys, but the old truck and trailer did their job today. Got the lift here to Spanky's, and now we got to take it apart to get it inside because it's an extra long, extra tall lift and it won't go under the door. I knew that in the beginning, so it's no big deal. We got to do some lift moving around. We got to install another 2-post lift that I just moved from my other place. Well, trust me, you did not want to see this lift coming into the shop. It was about a foot taller than the doors, so I had to take the lift apart just to get it into the shop. Unfortunately, bigger is not always better. The one size down from this, it rolls right in your average shop door. I'd like to thank my buddy Bo for going with me and helping me get this lift, and my buddy George for giving me such a great deal on it. It just added one more spot into the shop. I wish I could have showed you taking it apart and putting it back together, but my wife didn't want to be on video. She helped, and some of my neighbors came over during the struggle. So I didn't video any of that, but trust me, it was not planned and it didn't go quite so well. The black lift I've had for about 20 years is fixing to get a new cylinder put on it as soon as I get some time, and then it'll be working about 100% instead of 75%. And then we're gonna move it to the other side of the shop, and then I'm gonna put up this rotary lift in this vaulted area right here to give me one more spot. So guys, that's how, on a budget, you can turn a small garage into a big garage. So what I was hoping to get done this winter, it's not quite done yet. But we got to get this rotary lift installed where this 4-post lift is. Then we'll move this 4-post lift over into another part of the shop. Right now, the old 4-post lift is storing the completely finished C10 chassis for the square body C10. Haven't been showing any videos on that lately, but I'm gonna bring you up to speed on it. Paint and body in process right now. That truck did not get a whole lot of views, so I've opted out of having it in the rotation. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now get out in the garage and go build something. See you in the next episode.